Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can duplicate the content in Notion. So let's start. What you want to do is like really simple, but database, it's not that easy to duplicate. The text and everything else is really easy. So when you're gonna add here, I don't know, quote, just click left on these 6 dots here and just press duplicate. Then you can do it also with the comments and everything here. So even I would click plus here and I'm going to like database, and I can add like table inline. Again, I can just simply click here and duplicate. What is not that easy to duplicate on its loading is when you would add a page here and you would add a database by table, and you can actually like duplicate this. It's not possible, but this is pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and have a great day and